it's now time for us to go and leave this to a lovely family.
But I just think it's ideal for us.
Yeah, but I can't leave you with the house. You sound like you want to stay with this house.
I actually think you're suggesting that, Mark. I'm actually quite offended.
Yeah, just cross my mind.
Mark, this definitely is a cook's kitchen. Look at that 4-bank oven with a built-in coffee machine, induction cooking, not to mention the fact we've got a butler's pantry at the back there with cooking and cleaning facilities, dishwasher and all. This guest bedroom, Mark, it really is a sanctuary.
It's beautiful, it's soft, it wraps you up in warmth. This is the master suite, which is an incredible sanctuary flooded with light from the skylights.
And that ensuite with the double shower and double vanity.
You know, for any family that's going to be lucky enough to buy this house, they also have lifestyle down at Hampton.
You know, you've got the beach down the road, Sunday morning swims, then back here in the afternoon for a barbecue while the kids are splashing around in the pool. Marky, this steam room is such a treat.
Mitchy, it's time to go.
I'm not leaving.